Today I'm going to be proposing an instrument for the mid to high voice level for Team 17. Excuse me, we've developed some problem definition and requirements, but I just want to focus on a couple, and that's the $15 per instrument. We're going to play the Ode to Joy song, and all the instruments have to fit in a 2 by 2 by 2 foot square box, which means my instrument needs to be compact. So I'm going to try to find a solution that's portable and inexpensive. So here's the song Ode to Joy that we are going to be playing. And I've moved all those notes over to this chart to show which frequencies those correspond to, so I can select my instrument. I came up with a few alternate designs when doing this. All of them are actually developed off of the cantilevered percussion bar concept, and I chose that concept for its simplicity and development, but I also think it'll end up being more compact. So I've got three potential solutions. I've come up with one I believe will be the best, which is option 3, and that's because it's the smallest. I think it's the most attractive, and it'll keep us well below the price of $15 per item, somewhere around 12. When I came up with this, I had to go through some calculations to ensure that my design would be viable. And so I've got some equation here where I'm solving for the length of the bar. I use the speed of sound in redwood as the material, and I'm doing the cantilevered beam, as I mentioned. What I did too is I compared the concept 3 with some other potential solutions. And what you can see is simply supported tube, the top plot, creates a significantly longer bar than the design I've chosen, which is cantilevered bar. And so in shooting for a compact design, this cantilevered solid bar is definitely the best choice, I think. Here's where I came up with the speed of sound from redwood. It's just a table I found online. It has some other material properties. I chose redwood because it'll be inexpensive, easy to work with. The fundamental frequencies versus the length, I did put discrete frequencies. These are the notes I'll have to play for my part in the song. And what you can see is the longest up here is about 0.13 meters, so 5¼ inches or something, which is, I think, very compact. And that's the same information, but just converted to a table, so you can see all 4 notes, 5.126 inches for the longest bar, and then they'll get smaller, which that'll accommodate a nice compact size. So in review, I've chosen this design because it will cover the tracks. It's very compact. I think it's going to be very pleasing to the eye. It's cost effective. It won't require any of the restricted materials, such as long lengths of tubing or string, and I think it's going to have really terrific tonal quality. Those are my references. Thank you.